You're welcome to New Focused Approach to Mathematics Basic 9. This is the revised edition. And in this video, we are looking at measures of central tendency. This lesson can be found in page 187. Measures of central tendency, meaning we are going to look at the mean, the median, and then the mode. The basic concept in line with this central tendency was introduced earlier in Basic 8. Now here we want to just solve more questions so that we can add up to what we know already. Let's take example and see. If you are given a data below, okay, these are the ages of people in a school or in a particular school team. We want to know the modal age, the median age, and then the mean age. Now, if you look at this data, the modal age simply means we are looking at most occurring number or most occurring variable or age. And if I arrange it this way, I can see that 12 occurs mostly. It has the highest frequency. For that matter, our modal age is 12. Now, for us to find the median, we need to arrange this again in order of magnitude. Of course, that's what I've done here. And this time around, it is in ascending order of magnitude. Then we now look at the middle number as it's arranged in order of magnitude. Since we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the middle comes here. So we have 4 on the left, 4 on the right. Okay, so our median lies between this 12 here and the 12 here. So what we do is that we look at the average of these two numbers. Okay, and then that becomes still 12. So our median age is 12. Now for us to find the mean, we need to add all the numbers together and divide by the total number. Okay, so adding 9 plus 10 plus 11 will give us 30. Then, so I can say 30 plus 12, 12, 12, 12, that is 48. Then plus 13, all should be divided by 8 because they are 8 in all. The addition is going to give us 91. 91 divided by 8, and that will give us 11.375. So we can see approximately 11.4. And you can see that is not far from the median and then the mode. And so the mean, according to the question, that is S bar, is equals to 11.4 or 11.375. Good. Now let's take another example and see. This time around, they've put the data in the ungroup frequency. So we want to find the mode. First of all, we want to find the mode. The mode again is the highest frequency. So you can see that the highest frequency is 11 here. And 11 corresponds to 5. So the modal weight is 5. Now for us to find the median, we can draw the table again like this and have our X and then our number of metals, which is F. So to find the median, we find the half summation of F. Okay, and half summation of F, if you sum all the F, that is if you sum all the frequency, we have 3 plus 9, which is 12, plus 11 will give us 23. 23 plus 6, 29, then 30. So summation of F is equals to 30. And so this will be times 30. And that will give us the position, right? It's the position. So we have 15th position. Now to find the 15th position, we keep adding the frequency. So if you add 3 plus this, that will give us 12. 12 plus 11 will give us 23, which means our 5th position is within this range. And so when we track it here, then we can say our median is equals to 5. So median is 5. Then we want to find the mean. To find the mean, because it is ungrouped, we need to use the formula. Okay, remember the formula that we stated some time ago. So our S bar, which is the mean, is summation of Fx over summation of F. And so this represents our X and this represents our F. So we have to multiply them. So 3 by 3 will give us 9. and then 4 times 9 will give us 36. Then we have 55, we have 36 again, and then we have 7. So when we sum the f of x, that will give us, that is 9 plus 36 plus 55 plus 36 again plus 7 will give us 143. And then our sum of f already was 30. So we are going to do 143 divided by 30. Okay, and when we do 143 divided by 30, we are going to have our mean S bar as 4 let's say 76666. So we can say approximately 4.8. So that is our mean. And remember, we had our median to be 5, mode to be 5, and mean is 4.8, which is approximately 5 as well. Good. Now let's take the final example under this. So here we have height of seedlings in the garden as shown below. So the height and then the number of seedlings that have the same height. So height of 8, there are 5 of them. Height of 9, there are 7 of them in that order. We want to know how many seedlings were in the garden. That means we just want to know the total number of frequency. Of course, if I add this and this, I'll get 20. And then 20 plus this will give us 25, 29, 31. So 31, that means the number of seedlings in the garden will give us 39. Now the mode, to find the mode is the highest frequency, which is 13. So the mode becomes 10. That is, the mode height becomes 10. The median, once again, we need to redraw the diagram this way, and then we can say that median is equals to half summation of f, that is the position, right? Position. And so summation of f is 31. So 31 over 2 plus 1 position, because normally when it is odd number we always say plus 1, and if it's even number we leave it like that. And so no, it should have been rather all over 2. Okay, so 31 plus 1 over 2, which of course will give us 32 over 2, and that will give us 16th position. So 16th position, we go again by adding 5 plus 7, which will give us 12 plus 13, and that will be 25, which means the 16th position is within this range. So we track it to this point, and that gives us 10, which means that median also is 10. Sorry, mean also is 10. Sorry, median is 10. Okay, now for us to find the mean, we need to know the total frequency. Of course, that gave us 31, right? That gave us 31. That means 6 here plus this will give us 19, 26, 31. Then we find our f of x. This and this will give us 40, and then we have 63, we have 130, we have 44, then we have 24. If we do the summation of f of x, that will give us 301, right? And so we can say that our S bar, which is equals to sum of f of x over sum of f rather, will be equal to 301 divided by 31. So when we do the division, well, we are going to have something like 9.709, which is approximately, to the one decimal place will be 10. So one decimal place will be 9.7, and then to the nearest whole number will give us 10. So it means that 10, 10, 10, which makes sense because they are all measuring the central tendency. I'm sure this has been of great help to you. Thanks so much for watching.